What's up, everybody? It's your girl Nye, and welcome to me and Nonda's channel. Today I'm finna do my first wig install. I am nervous as hell. Y'all don't even understand, this is gonna be my first time putting a wig on, and yeah, but don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below what more content you would like to see from me and also Ananda, or videos you want to see more for us to like do together. So stay tuned, sit back and relax, and I will be back. The hair I will be using today is UNice. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but you know, just bear with me. But I got it the honey blonde 20-inch 150 density. It's a 13 by 4 pre-plucked wig. So honey, yes, you see it, you see it, you see it, you see it, you feel me? I gotta open the whole thing, you know, y'all gotta see the whole shebang bang pow, you feel me? Yeah, we're taking it out. Oh yeah, I'm gonna bleach the knots because it got little black spots right here and stuff. So in the inside it has the clips, and it also came with a wig cap and a little elastic band. So yeah, I'm gonna bleach the knots first, and then once I come back, like after it's bleached and washed and blow dried and all that, on the back of the box it has like instructions on how to comb it properly, wash it, and all that other stuff. I did, you know, smell it a little bit. It did have a little bad smell, but you know, once we wash it and, you know, condition it and stuff, it's gonna smell real good. Honey gonna be smelling real nice, okay? So I'll be back once again. I wanna say hey to YouTube.
Hey, YouTube.
They can't see you, but you know.
Oh, it's, hey. Oh, you're recording like now?
Yeah. That's my best friend, everybody.
One and only. Get stepped over.
All right. All right. They don't got time to hear the threat. And don't put, you know, too much. Just make sure it's enough to cover, like, the bleach. Like, this front part. Come on, Beyonce. Just to, like, cover that much. I might make some more though, because I don't think this is enough, but yeah, I just want to show y'all that, so if y'all can see. But yeah, I'll be back. I'm going to pluck some of the hairline off because I know it's pre-plucked, but it still needs to get plucked a few up here and stuff on the hairline. So I'm gonna let this dry, and I'm going to braid my hair back, and I'll be back.
If I hit it front of back, she gon' hit the sidewalk.
Oh! Somebody! Oh! He needs some milk.
These look like ass. Look like some doo-doo braids. So what I'm going to do is slick it back and put a nice little small bun back there, because I'm not feeling it. I'm not liking it. It's not coming out how I want it to. So I'm gonna just slick it back and then move on to blow drying the hair. So I'll be back. Like a peanut. Oh my fucking goodness. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I look like a goddamn peanut. I look like a peanut. Look at my head. I look like a peanut. Cause I plucked out like about this much, but I need to pluck some more. She's still damped, so we're gonna dry her up, put some spritz on here and flat iron her, and then we're gonna get ready to install the girl. Oh my gosh, y'all really look like the motherfucking one of them peanuts from the Proud Family. That's how I'm looking. That's what it's giving right now. But I'll be back once she's all dried up and flat ironed, so we could get into the install. All right, okay, I'll be back. Miss girl. Oh. Beyonce.
Beyonce.
Beyonce. Beyonce girl. Beyonce. I love Beyonce, y'all. I love Rihanna too. I am so sorry this is real ratchet, but I don't know what I'm doing, so I'm just going with the flow, honestly. This is my first time ever putting a wig on. So, yeah. First time plucking, first time bleaching knots, first time everything. And I think I'm doing pretty good, you know. Oh, and I also forgot to mention, you know, I'm gonna leave the details on this hair in the description box below. Best believe. So I gotta hook y'all up. And they got coupons too, y'all. So take some money, y'all. Take some money, y'all. But yeah, I'll be back. Ooh, that's a lot. Jeez. Dab it on, dab, 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 dab on, dab, 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 dab. I put a lot on there, y'all. Ooh. Okay. So I'm gonna mix it. I'm gonna just do this, this, this. She in there. Beyonce is in there finally. My goodness. Jesus. I'm not even done yet. Cause I gotta do the baby hairs. I'm gonna pluck some more of this too. So. And oh, this ain't going nowhere, baby, cause y'all need to use this glue right here. I'll leave it in the description. Pluck this some more. Put some concealer on it. Use the hot comb, straighten this up, you know, finesse a little bit, and then I'll be done. I'll be finito. So I'll be right back, y'all. Okay. Okay, y'all. So I just decided not to do baby hairs because I don't think I need them for real. But like, I did a little sideline thing, but I like it covering my ears because I have really small ears. Ooh. Beyonce took a lot on me, okay? With the bleaching, with the washing. It don't really shed much. I could say that for the hair. It really doesn't shed as much. Oh, baby, do you see that shine? Ooh. The way the naps. Sound crunchy right there. Carrot hair. Look like this. Got a Sally Beauty. It won't focus. But yeah. Baby, what? Who is that? Who's that chick? Nas that chick. Beyonce. I need to stop for real. This is the finishing look. And I did a good job for my first time, okay? I did a really good job for my first time, y'all. I'm so proud of myself. That's it for the video. Comment, like, and subscribe to me and on this channel. Comment down below what you think of this video. And give it some likes, you know. Subscribe, share the video, let others know about our channel and stuff. And comment below if you want to see more hair videos by me, you know what I'm saying. See y'all next time. Deuce, bye.